Good afternoon to you. My name is Temia Debayo. We are live in ETI-OSA 3 local government area to celebrate the Lagos State Annual Tree Planting Day.
Our way of planting trees in ETI-OSA local government must be more proactive, and we need to at least give it more attention.
So trees help with life, trees for life, trees help with socio-economic benefits.
Join me, let's go plant some trees.
All I have to say about the tree planting, once we all know that it actually provides oxygen.
Trees are important to the ecosystem.
Trees are responsible for 35% of oxygen used by the earth.
Trees contribute to the environment by providing oxygen.
Plant a tree today. Plant a tree today.
Plant a tree today.
Play your part today.
Play your part today.
Tree for life.